So apparently the streets been talking, and the girlies wanted the half wig with the full wig option. Now, you know, generally when you want options, you gonna have to pay for that thing. But yeah, I'm thinking about this in my mind. I'm thinking about it. You gotta handle it like trigonometry sometimes. People don't know that. Yeah. I don't know how this gonna look, y'all. There may just be a ram in the bush, and I'm gonna test it out today. Hey, cousins, hey, it's your girl Mary Kay coming to you with a slate today.
Hey.
Coming to you with a slate today.
Let the church say subscribe.
What's going on to all my subscribers? What's going on, channel members?
How you doing?
Friends of the family? You haven't hit that subscribe button yet? Go ahead, hit that thing. Listen, let's talk about this wig right here. So, okay, do you remember when I tried HerGivenHair? Do you remember when they had that half wig that was like a half wig and a ponytail and all the gloriousness of it? Honey, you couldn't tell. Everybody thought that was my, especially that kinky coily one. Yeah, you couldn't tell. Nah, man, I don't even get. The girlies was like, "Oh, I love this."
But what if I want to wear it as a full wig sometime?
So, HerGivenHair put a little bit of lace on that thing. That way, if you want to wear it as a full wig, you wear it as a full wig. If you want to wear it as a half wig, you wear it as a half wig. So what that means is, in theory, we're supposed to be able to get this thing with leave out and without leave out, and it's supposed to be smacking. And we thinking that it's going to be glueless. If I need to do a partial melt, then I will, or a spot melt where you just like tack down one little spot. You get your little spray, let it dry, bam, tack you down one little spot. It really depends on who preaching and how you gonna shout. Sometimes you need to go ahead and do the full melt, because otherwise, because listen, let me tell you something. Those church TikToks, you don't want to be with the wig, but so you might want to do it all depending on who preaching. If it's like the 3rd or 4th day of revival, then you might can do the spot. But if it's the last day, you can forget that. You gonna have to go ahead and do that whole thing all the way across, okay? That is the purpose of the wig. So I just want to take a look at it, y'all. I just want to take a look at it, but I wanted to tell you what this is, because this is not just a lace wig. As you will probably see, it probably ain't nothing but a teaspoon of lace on there. That's going to be to give you the option if you want to wear it as a full wig instead of a half wig, okay? Most of the time with half wigs, it's a thick weft off about the hairline, okay? And you could pull it to the front if you want to, but this is supposed to be the invisible hairline half wig, but this is the new and improved all-in-one invisible hairline half wig, and it's supposed to be able to do all the things, okay? I'm just going to try it out and see if it's coming at it like that. Basically, yeah, to see if there's anything that I would change, or if it's just like that, okay? I don't know. Let's go ahead and just see, okay? I don't know with the half wig, but no leave out. Half wig, no leave out. Yeah, I'm thinking about this in my mind. I'm thinking about it. I'm putting it all together. You know how you gotta do it. You gotta handle it like trigonometry sometimes. People don't know that. Yeah. I don't know how this gonna look, y'all. Hold a minute, y'all. Friends of the family, go on, hit that button, okay? If you want to join the channel membership, hit that join button, okay? All right? Because when I get my first 25, we having our first members only live. We done already had members only videos. It's some stuff that members getting before everybody else. So I'm saying. But hold a minute.
Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull a drop top out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. prepared for it. Instead of love out loud since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, meet me. Timing's right, so right. Our romance to be can't deny. Love the things we do when it's just us two. But tonight, meet me outside. Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. I'm a good catch, but I never let him catch me. No, I never let him play me. Wild thing try to tame me, but you got my mood on sunshine. Let's take a trip, souls on big smile. Let's hit this lake, stars are in line. I'm posted, lay with me in the moonlight. I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lie, so rare with it. We can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared for it. Instead of love out loud since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, meet me. Timing's right, so right. Our romance to be can't deny. Love the things we do. But tonight, baby, meet me outside. Outside, I always stay dreaming, never imagine I lose my spark. Living in this crazy time, putting back the pieces of my mind.